monkey room at Disneyland. There. Alright, I got the one card. What was your card? 2 of clubs, and look at that. He picked the 5 of hearts. Pretty close. It's a bird. Pretty close for a bird. Love to see your pet do better. What? Obviously, one of you is wine. I got pointy fingers, but so I'm going to try it again, but this time we're going to use larger cards. Larger speaker. Same jerk. These are cards Luigi is well familiar with. These are worms, cracker, cat in jail, and an airline engine. It's a bird. Turn them around. Say stop, and that will be your card. Right there. Oh, okay. Remember that card? Everyone else, remember. Alright, and now we'll shuffle the card back inside the deck. Okay, will you take any one of these cards? It's a bird! Alright, we'll shuffle it back inside this deck. There's no idea which one it could be. Will you take any one of these 4 cards? Pick anyone that comes.